this is Roshan and that's Rishma. We are final year engineering students from Computer Science Department, and our guide is none other than our HOD man, Dr. T.V. Chitrakan. And our application's name is Weplant, a web application to combat climatic decline and escalating heat. The main problem we all are facing globally is climatic decline and escalating heat. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals find ourselves disconnected from nature, leading to a lack of appreciation for our environment, which we take for granted. So to tackle all these problems, we have come up with an app whose target customers are not only plant enthusiasts but also people from all walks of life. The objectives of our apps will be explained by Roshan.
I would like to explain the three most top objectives of our project. The first one is it's incorporating street count, which helps to reward the user for their consistent performance and the participation in documenting plant growth. This makes our project different from others. The second one is promoting environmental awareness and the sustainability. And the last one I'm coming to say here is it provides the access to valuable information and resources, which helps the plant cultivists and their enthusiasts.
Now the results obtained, our website consists of mainly three main pages. The first page is the capture page, second page is the guide page, and third one is the community page. In the capture page, here is where all the users will upload their plant photos for documenting their plant growth journey. An additional feature, which is the street feature, this is what sets our project apart. Every time the user uploads a photo, the street count will go up. The second page is the guide page of our application. Here is where users can find all sorts of information about various resources, knowledge, etc. Then the third page is the community page. Here is where all the plant enthusiasts come together to connect, to share their knowledge and tips on plants. To conclude, Weplant is all about making gardening fun, easy and rewarding for those who are involved in it. Thank you.